Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Kumi. I am so glad you're here. Briefly today, I'll be showing you how to turn the edge of shapes effortlessly. I would also be showing you how to go about your ankara appliques. Ankara applique is that piece of ankara fabric you cut out to place on another design. It could be on a t-shirt, it could be from one ankara to another, it could even be a portion of the same fabric you would want to feature elsewhere. At the end of this tutorial, I'll be putting things in perspective for you by showing you a couple of other designs this method can work with. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to cut your preferred shape. After doing that, place that same shape on your preferred interfacing. In considering the right interfacing to use, you will want to consider the fabric you'll be placing the entire design on. You don't want it to be too thick, thereby making it difficult for your needle to penetrate. In this case, I'll be using a paper gum. My fabric is thick already as I've placed a couple of design on it. I will go ahead and place the right side of the interfacing on the right side of my shape, and because this is a circle, I will be stitching all around. The next thing I will do is to bust the middle open, turn to the other side and give it a good press. Be mindful so the this whitish material won't be showing at the edge of your shape. This is what it looks like. Before now, I have stitched a top. I will be placing it on. I'm just going to find the right spot to place my shape and I'm going to stitch all around. And this is what it looks like. Here are other designs you can use this method to accomplish, whether triangle, rectangle, figures, anything at all. You can adopt this method and I bet you will not regret it. Because imagine having to turn these curved edges with half an inch. Imagine turning the square. It is going to be frustrating. Try yours and leave me your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.